Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Then the Who's, young and old, would sit down for a feast. And they'd feast, and they'd feast, and they'd feast, 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 feast. Oh, off-screen narrator.
Yes?
I'm hungry. Feed me.
Excuse me?
Snack time. Me hungry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Grinch party cake cups. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of vanilla cake mix, 1 tub of vanilla icing. We're going to follow the instructions on the box. So we're going to need 1 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs. We're also going to need sprinkles. You're also going to need candy canes, red and green food coloring, and also appetizer cups. Okay guys, next you want to get a large bowl and a hand mixer if you have one. If not, it's okay. You can mix your cake batter up by hand. All I'm going to do is empty my cake mix into the bowl. Next, I'm going to add my eggs. Vegetable oil. And also our water. And we're going to mix for 2 minutes. Okay guys, once your batter is mixed, what I'm going to do is grab a spatula and I'm just going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. Just make sure everything is well incorporated. Next, I'm going to go ahead and separate this batter into 2 bowls. And the way I separate it is by using a measuring cup and make sure I have equal cups in both bowls. Okay guys, once you separated your batter into 2 bowls, we're going to grab our food coloring and all we're going to do is add a few drops to each. 1 green and red in the other bowl. Then all we're going to do is stir it together to get our desired color. Okay guys, the cake batter is done. I got the color that I wanted. So now all I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I'm using a cupcake pan. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill the cupcake liners up. Okay guys, I lined my cupcake pan. All I'm going to do is start to spoon in my cake batter. I do about 3 tablespoons a piece. Okay guys, once I filled my cupcake liners, now I'm going to put them in the oven. And I'm going to let them bake for 12 to 17 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 17 minutes. And you guys should know the toothpick into the cake comes out clean. It's done. So we're going to let these cool off for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. I took the cupcakes out of the cupcake pan Now all we're going to do is let them cool off completely. So you can give that about 10 to 15 minutes more. Okay guys, the cupcakes have completely cooled off. The first thing I've done was take our candy canes, and since I didn't have the small ones, I cut about this much off so they can fit into our appetizer cups. Next, we're going to take our cupcakes and we're just going to slice down them to make 4 pieces. Okay guys, that's what the cupcake should look like. We're going to do that to each cupcake. I'm using 3 green and 3 red. Okay guys, this is what the cupcakes should look like now. If any of them broke apart, it's okay, because we're just going to piece them together in the appetizer cup. And guys, if you had any crumbs left over, all you want to do is save them so we can put them on the top when we're finished. Okay guys, I have my piping bag. I have it inside my glass once again. We're going to go ahead and take our tub of icing. And all I'm going to do is take a small spatula, mix it, and start putting it into the piping bag. Okay guys, so now we're ready to make our Grinch party cake cups. So all we're going to do is take a piece of cupcake. We're going to put it in our appetizer cup, and all you're going to do is push down. We alternate between the colors in the cups. The next one will be green. Just put it in and press all the way down. Then another red. Just like that. Then we're going to take our icing and go on top of each slice of cupcake. Okay, now guys, we have our icing in. Now just alternate your colors. I'm going to put red on top of this one and push it down some. The next one is going to be green and push it down and just continue. Then we're going to repeat the process, icing on top, then another cupcake on top. Okay guys, here's your Grinch party cake cups. Remember, all you do is add in your cupcakes and alternate between the colors, and make sure you put icing in between. When you get to the top, all you want to do is put icing, the leftover cupcake crumbs, and also some sprinkles. And I just added the Grinch, Max, and Cindy Lou Who, and our candy canes on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and please come back, and please also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.